started from the bottom. No computer.
Welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title of this video, I am back doing another mystery keychain or bag clip unboxing for you guys. Now, I have done a few of these on my channel, whether dedicated videos or in vlogs, but this one that I'm doing today is a little bit different. Usually all of my keychains are Disney related or horror movie themed, but these particular keychains that I'm going to be unboxing today are from one of my most favorite TV shows, and that is The Golden Girls. Now, recently I did film a collective mystery or blind bag keychain collection, which if you have not seen that video, I will link it down in the description box for you guys, so you can go ahead and check that out. And after I did that video, I decided to go online and see what other mystery keychain collections or series that I could find, and that's when I ran into some of these Golden Girl ones. I also bought some more Disney ones, which that will be in a separate unboxing video, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I got a couple different series or collections of mystery Golden Girl keychains, and they both look like this. So this one right here, it just says The Golden Girls figural bag clip, and it doesn't say a particular collection that it's from, but here's just kind of a sneak peek of what the packaging looks like. And then I also picked this one up, and this is the Golden Girls Series 2 figural bag clip collection. So yeah, maybe this is series 1. I actually am not sure. So I decided to get, I believe, 4 of each kind. So let's go ahead and just get right on into it. So if you would like to see my unboxing of the Golden Girls mystery keychains, then just keep on watching. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to unbox these, you guys. I purchased these and got them delivered like a few weeks back. It was right around the holidays, so I just didn't really have the time to film it. And another one of the reasons, I was actually going to film this video on New Year's Eve, but of course, that's when I heard the news that Betty White passed away, and I was a wreck. I was just on and off crying, and it just really made me so sad and just broke my heart that I just couldn't even muster myself up to film this video, because I just feel like if I would have filmed it, I would have been looking a mess. It wouldn't have been in the best mood, and I feel like anything Golden Girls related, I just would have been crying on and off through that video. So I have really been waiting a while to film this video, and it's so funny that I purchased these, I think, a few days before Christmas, and one of the gifts that my husband got me was actually Golden Girls keychains, which looks just like this. It kind of has similar packaging. Kind of looking at the options that you can get from the 2 series of blind bag or mystery keychains that I purchased, I don't think any of them look like this, or they're wearing the same outfit, which, I mean, even if they were, not a huge deal to me, but I just thought that was so funny that I ended up purchasing these, and then this was one of the gifts that I ended up getting for Christmas. Okay, so I think the first keychain type or series that we're gonna open up is this one right here, which I'm assuming is maybe series 1. Of course, I'll do close-ups of the packaging for you guys. We'll go over all the different options that you could get in these, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and open them up and see what we get. So in this particular keychain series, you have the option of getting 9 different keychains, or I guess 11 different keychains, because in this series you do also get what I like to call mystery keychains, exclusive A and exclusive B, which are just kind of extra mystery keychains. You really don't know what those are. So I'll go ahead and zoom you guys in, and we'll go over all of the different options. So here's just kind of the front packaging. And so when you go ahead and flip the packaging over, there, as you can see, all of the different options of keychains that you can get. So we'll go ahead and start with the first row up here. So the first option that you can get is Dorothy. I feel like each of these options aren't labeled the best. The next option that you can get is labeled Sophia. Then you have Rose and Blanche. And then here is another Dorothy option. I believe this is from the episode where they are playing in the Chicken Little play. And then this one is just titled Turkey Dorothy. And then we're gonna come down to this row right here. So this first one is titled Pirate Sophia. Next one is Actor Blanche, which is when they're playing in one of the other plays in one of the episodes. This one right here is just titled House Sweater Rose, which she's just wearing a particular sweater that just has a house on it. And then the last known option of keychains that you could get is this one right here, and this one is titled Stan, which of course is Dorothy's ex-husband. And then, like I mentioned, you get extra mystery keychains in this series, and you have exclusive A and exclusive B. By looking at them, I have zero idea what they could be, especially this one just being a circle. I really don't know what that could be. Maybe like a cheesecake or something. And then this one right here, I thought maybe it could be like their couch or maybe Sophia's purse, but I don't really know what these like awkward things on the side are. But yeah, that's just kind of like my first impression of looking at that. But yeah, so here are all of the different options that you can get in this particular series. I feel like there isn't any in here that I wouldn't want. I would love to have any of them. Even Stan, like I love Stan, so like even if I got him, I would be happy with that. Especially if I got like Dorothy and Stan, I think that would be perfect. But yeah, I would be totally fine with any of these characters. I'm kind of obsessed with the Turkey Dorothy. I just like, I don't know, I just really like her costume, so I think that would be a really cool one to get. As far as the mystery or exclusive keychains in this one, I'm kind of hoping I don't get those just because just looking at the outline of them, I really don't have any idea what they would be, and they just don't really seem that interesting to me. But yeah, other than that, I would be really happy to get any of these, which I feel like is a really good sign. So yeah, let's go ahead and start opening these up. Of course, as always, I'm just grabbing them at random. I did not feel around to even try to guess what they would be. So I got the bag open here. Should I have you guys do the honors for our first keychain? Have you guys take a peek first? Okay. So I got the bag open. See if you guys can kind of see what it is. I'm gonna reach my hand in. Oh, okay, so we got Sophia. So cute. I am so excited to display these, especially with my other keychains that I got for Christmas. Like, it's gonna look so cute. So we're gonna grab our next one here. I think this one, I'm just gonna try to reach my hand in and see if we can guess, which I feel like it's gonna be really hard to do, especially if I'm feeling their hair, just because I feel like their hair kind of all looks a little similar. Okay, so I got the bag open. I'm just gonna kind of feel around. Okay, I don't think it's a repeat. I was trying to feel for like Sophia's glasses and outfit. I think it's different. I'm gonna say it's one of just like the regular characters, not in any sort of like costume or outfit. Oh, we got Rose. And I was right, this is just the regular Rose character that they have in this particular series. Oh my God, that like warms my heart. And here's her and Sophia together so far. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open the third one, the second to last keychain in this particular series. And I think this one, we're just gonna rip the Band-Aid off and just pull it out. Not even try to guess. Boom. Oh my God. Yes, we got Stan. Oh my gosh, that is the best. I'm so excited. I love getting like keychains, especially like this, when it's like not a main character, and I feel like if you like didn't watch the show, you would be like, who is this? Like, sometimes those are some of my favorite keychains to get. And I guess like even if I don't get Dorothy, having like Sophia and him side by side I think would be really cute, just because they just have a hilarious relationship as well. Alright, you guys, we got the last one in this series. I'm really hoping for Turkey Dorothy, or just regular Blanche. I feel like she looks really cute in this series, so. Could I have you guys look for the last one for this series? Okay, it kind of feels like a regular character. Don't be a yes! Got Blanche. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, we did really good. No repeats. I feel like whenever there's no repeats, that's when we get a good collection. So cute. So at least I got 3 out of the 4 Golden Girls. All right, so that was all from the Series 1 question mark mystery keychain. So now let's go ahead and move on to Series 2. So quickly, again, I'll just zoom you guys in really quick so we can take a look at all of the different options that we can get in this particular series. So here is what the front packaging looks like of the Series 2 keychains. And then just like with the first one, you have the option of 9 different keychains and then of course 2 more mystery keychains. So we'll go ahead and flip it over and take a look at all of the different specific options of keychains we can get. So again, we'll start with the first row up here. Again, these don't have very exciting titles. So this first one right here is just titled Blanche. And then you have Sophia, Dorothy, and Rose. Now we'll get into more of like the specific outfits or characters that each of the girls are wearing. So this last one in the first row is just titled Aerobics Blanche, which I think is the cutest. And then to come down onto this row, we are back to Sophia, and this one is just titled Sunglasses Sophia. This particular one is just titled Actor Dorothy. And then we're back to a Chicken Little character, and this one is titled Turkey Rose. And then we get another male co-star, and this one is Miles, which is Rose's like long-term on-again, off-again boyfriend. And then here are our mystery keychains in this series, exclusive A and exclusive B. Again, looking at exclusive A, I really have no idea what that could be. Exclusive B, I think I have an idea. That one would be Blanche's vase in one of the episodes where Rose gets super paranoid, and basically what happens is Blanche comes home late at night with a gentleman. Lights are turned off, so when she opens the door, Rose ends up shooting at them with a gun, thinking that they're a robber breaking in, and she accidentally shoots Blanche's vase or vase, which she's really upset about, and it's honestly hilarious. It's one of my favorite little episodes, so I think that's what that would be. But yeah, so here are all of the different options that you can get in this particular series. All right, so for this particular series, I feel like, again, there really aren't any keychains that I don't want. I guess you could kind of say exclusive A I don't really want, because I don't really know what that would be. I feel like I would be fine with exclusive B because I'm thinking it's Blanche's vase. So I feel like even if I got that one, that would just be, I don't know, just like a cute, fun keychain to get. So I wouldn't be totally mad at that one. But I feel like the ones that really stick out to me, obviously I would love to get Dorothy because we already got the 3 other girls in their regular outfits from the series that we just unboxed. So I would love to just get like a regular Dorothy keychain. I'm also really feeling Aerobics Blanche. And I wouldn't be too upset if I got Miles either, because I just really like him as well in the show. So since this one's already in my hand, we're just gonna go ahead and open this one up, and I will give you guys the first look. Okay, give you guys a second to see it. I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna reach in. Oh, we got Miles! Oh my gosh, look at that! There we go, now we got like our 2 leading men in the show. Go ahead and move on to the second one here. And this one I'm just gonna kind of reach my hand in and try to guess. Head feels pretty big. I'm wondering if it's like a Sophia or Blanche. Just kind of going off the hair. We're just gonna pull it out. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Originally in the first series I said I wanted to get the Turkey Dorothy because, again, that's another one of my like favorite parts in a particular episode is when they're doing the Chicken Little play, and I just like love their costumes. So at least we got Turkey Rose. I'm not mad at it at all. Let's go ahead and open our third one. Again, our second to last keychain in this series and for this video. We need a Dorothy, you guys. We need a Dorothy. At this point, I don't care what kind of Dorothy we get, but we need a Dorothy. We're just gonna go ahead and pull this one out. It's the vase. We got the vase. I can't believe it. We got the vase. And it was the vase I was thinking of. This is great. This is great. Got our last keychain, you guys. I'm so nervous. I want a Dorothy so bad. Go ahead and give you guys the first look for our last Golden Girls mystery keychain. Don't let me down, you guys. Oh no, is it a repeat? I just looked in the viewfinder. Oh, it's not! Okay, we didn't get Dorothy, but we got one of the keychains I said I wanted, and that was Aerobics Blanche. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. Alright, you guys, and that is it for the Golden Girls mystery keychain unboxing. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Overall, I would say it was a pretty successful unboxing. You guys know me, I am cursed when it comes to mystery keychains, especially when it comes to repeats. I don't even know why I continue to buy them because almost always I get repeats in any type of collection that I buy. But this one we didn't, and I'm really happy with all the keychains I got. I feel like for most of them, they were the keychains that I really wanted from each of the series. Of course, we didn't get a Dorothy keychain, which makes me so incredibly sad. But at least I have my little box set of keychains, which has a Dorothy in there. So again, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Definitely make sure to stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is one of the videos that I really enjoy doing, as well as any type of like shopping hauls, or even if you're someone that's more into like lifestyle vlogging, maybe more like beauty, makeup related. I have all of that here on my channel. I'm one of those channels that's down to earth and kind of gives you a little bit of everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get going for now, but I will see you all very soon in my next mystery keychain unboxing video, and as well as my other normal weekly videos. Bye everyone.